really enterprising to see young fellows like yourself who are working in different segments, who are working, creating awareness for women entrepreneurs, or for the matter of fact, entrepreneurs, be it male or female. It is really, really, really enterprising to see, and I'm very happy to be a part of this show. 2021 is a time for India because हमारे यहाँ पे micro entrepreneurs बहुत सारे हैं. If things are not working in your favor, how will you handle that? So plus, minus, pros, cons, you have to work on everything and then go.
Welcome everyone. Today we are back with a new series on entrepreneurship, and we have a very special personality today. She is a sole owner of a brand. She is speaker and a president of Young Mavetis, an organization supporting women entrepreneurs. Ma'am, like when I see your diversified background from corporate world to owning your own brand, tell me, like, what was the wake up call when you had in corporate world to like go for your own brand or setting up your business?
That was, I worked in corporate for around 2.5 years after my BTech. उसके बाद फिर I wanted to pursue something different. I was into creative mindset. I'm not really into too much of computations or technical job. I was never really into technical jobs. So even in college, I had a lot of on the creative side, literary activities, creative activities. I was topping that chart. But other than top, I never topped my classes, and I'm quite happy about it because those things have really opened my mindset to new variants where I can explore things, from a different point of view, from a different perspective. So जब मैंने अपना corporate job छोड़ा because I was like I cannot do this forever. They say it wasn't even switch. I just left it from one company. I worked there for 2.5 years, and I said I quit because this is not my calling. I really want to involve into something creative, something which gives me a power of being my own boss, where I can handle everything. And अगर आप देखो तो females are वैसे भी multitasking, right? If you see a mother, you see your grandmothers, they organize, they take care of the entire household, right? From one point to the other. Whereas हम लोग सोचते हैं एज अ किड हम सोचते थे कि क्या कर रहे हैं कुछ ज्यादा कुछ काम तो होता नहीं है बट so many of unsaid work is being done behind our back जो आपको realize नहीं होता. Same goes with the entrepreneurs. You see the final product which is out in the market, but what kind of work goes inside in the making of that product, from testing to trials to branding to the image, everything. So that kind of give me a kick, for working harder. So it's very it's very enterprising, being an entrepreneur.
So, looking at this, were there any hurdles when you left this job? Because seeing at your experience, it would be a tough decision from moving from a job to a solo thing.
Honestly, it wasn't really a tough decision. I wanted to quit, so I quit. But yes, starting something was not easy because I have my mother owns chains of salons, right? So I come from a business background. My father is in the state police services. So there are two backgrounds in my family. But then whatever I had to do, I had to start everything on my own. So you're working from scratch. There were lots of setbacks in the earlier days, because I wanted to procure organic products. There were companies who claim they have organic products, but their products are quite full of chemicals. So I learned it the harder way, when it went out for trials, when it went out in the market, some of them complained really harsh. So I think it took me a year or so to get in sync with everything. Now I know where I stand, where I have to get my, how I have to jump over the hurdles. So it becomes easier with the day.
Okay, so what the organic story? So how did you come up with the idea? Like, okay, you told that you were always like involved in do wanted to do something about organic, but
Uh-huh.
your idea seems so like genuine and like so new to me. So how did you come up with the idea?
See, my mother is into beauty industry for almost 25 years, right? And my grandmother, my nani, was too much into घर का नुस्खा. वो दादी नानी वाले नुस्खे होते हैं ना, वो उसमें थे कि कुछ भी हो घर का नुस्खा करो. You have some skin problem, घर का नुस्खा. You have some hair problem, घर का नुस्खा. Everything was घर का नुस्खा for her. So my mother had that thing. She had a biological background, bio background, science background. उनका है. And उनसे बात करते करते चीजें narrate करते करते then me and my mother we came up with this idea that we have to start something in this segment. So फिर हम लोगों ने, क्योंकि everything has chemical these days, right? I may use it for some time, but it will show its side effects. So this is one thing. My products are such people from all age group, from all genders. They are gender neutral. So from all age groups they can use it. I use it on my 4-year-old toddler. Yeah, right? My parents, my in-laws, everyone use my product. So everyone can use it. They're absolutely safe, chemical free. So that's where I'm winning. I can say I'm rest assured the product which goes out in the market, I know it's gonna be safe for all skin types, all age groups.
Yeah. So coming on to your product, so how did you manage the supply chain, like from manufacturing to selling and things? That I think this is a big task to sell the 3 products.
It is a big task, and because I've recently started retail like a couple of years back, so by the time I could get a good hold of the entire business, Corona happened, right? So for a while it has been a one-man army. I am the one who's working on manufacturing, who's working like I've got staff, like domestic staff and other staff to help me out, but there are no dedicated how would I say the dedicated board of members like CO, CFO, CTO. I don't have them as of now. I wanted to hire them, but to hire them you have to have physical meetings, to start a business. So that's been on a bit of a hold, but I'm sure once things are settled, I'm going to have a proper board, a proper team working towards one goal.
So, your story is really inspiring. So, due to this pandemic, you're telling that many things or many business have collapsed or many have gone. So, do you think that this might be the new age for entrepreneurs, like digital India and everything going on?
If you look at the in this magazine, entrepreneurs, right, and founders, सबके digitalized segments आते हैं. So उसमें Amazon head Jeff Bezos has said 2021 is a time for India. Because हमारे यहाँ पे micro entrepreneurs बहुत सारे हैं, right? And given the fact कि अभी pandemic has taken a lot of jobs, like for you student as well, placements नहीं होंगे अभी इतने, right? अगर आप अपने seniors को देखो, jobs लोगों के चले गए, everything has been cost efficient. सारी companies, बड़े बड़े corporates ने अपने cost efficiency निकाले. So what do people do? घर बैठेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ creative ideas तो आए करने के लिए. You can sit at home for a month, for 2 months, but then you will eventually end up doing something. And when you end up doing something for yourself, you are an entrepreneur. It's gonna be the new age for entrepreneurs for sure. And once you get a hang of entrepreneurship, you are never going back to the job. Trust me.
Yeah. Like so, seeing at your journey, like if I have an idea or my friend have an idea, so how should I proceed to it? Like for being a new entrepreneur like us, how the process should be.
Okay. See, 2 things. First, make a flow chart of your project, right? And when you work on that, uske baad you work on your team. You work on your team member, expanding your team. For example, if there are 2 of you, 3 of you, 2 is better than 1. एक से भले 2, 2 से भले 3 ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. So work on that. Divide the segments properly. किसको क्या काम है, किसका क्या agenda है. Then every city these days has got smart city office, right?
Yes.
Smart city has got incubation centers
Mm.
where they incubate entrepreneurs. And they are very welcoming when it comes to first-time entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs. So you incubate yourself in Smart City Incubation Center. From there, you definitely pick up because there you get mentoring from professionals across the globe. So once your flowchart is final, once your idea is set, it's concrete, this is what you want to go ahead with, then you proceed with the incubation center. Get yourself incubated, get yourself a mentor, and start working towards it.
So this is what I have observed in like or I have read somewhere कि like when people start with their friends, so like मजे मजे में they start, but after some time things fall apart, like तू काम नहीं कर रहा, something like that. So
It
like
happens, yes.
what I want to say that कि like how did you deal with this situation?
Okay. Before you start with the team, make sure you are, uh, cordial with the members. First thing, make sure you all are in sync. You're on the same frequency. You have the same motivation, right? Same enthusiasm towards that project. Because if one out of two are working even 55%, there'll be a fallout. 100% there'll be a fallout, right? Or the one who's working harder, 55% wala banda, if that understanding ki chal theek hai, main 45% wale bande ko, I know because he's my friend, he's my colleague, he's my family member, or whoever for the sake, because I have to have him on board, so I'll work extra. Either that's there, or you find people in sync. Um, make on your work on your idea, right? And don't worry about the fallout. There'll be a lot of people joining in, joining out. So if your idea is concrete, you will eventually take it on.
So this whole situation is now like work from home, work from home. So what are your suggestions, or what are the pros and cons that you feel of work from home thing is?
Oh, work from home is actually fun. Trust me. It's actually fun because you're at your own comfort level.
Yeah.
And like I was telling Nayan, that productivity has increased a lot, right? Because I can sleep for as long as I want. I can get up at like 9, 10, because I've been working till 3 in the morning. I don't have to rush to go to office or to my workplace, right? And those who have got domestic help, or those who have got family members who can cook and have meals prepped, आपके पास और बहुत time होता है अपना काम करने के लिए. And if you're on the creative side, and if you're really, really into your work, you will enjoy this work from home phase,
Yeah.
because there's no foundation, right? You can
Yeah.
you have become creative, you're growing leaps and bounds. And of course, for the entrepreneurs, you have to set up an agenda, maybe for the coming week, coming month, or the coming year. So you get that time when you're working on your agenda for the year ahead. You're sorted for the year.
So,
Yeah.
ma'am, I have one question. Like you speak when you started, and eventually this COVID thing happened. Like marketing campaign, how did you manage? Like लोगों तक product का idea कैसे आपने पहुंचाया? Like क्योंकि ये COVID thing हो गया तो like इतना advertising वगैरह तो बहुत मुश्किल ही हो गया ना एक तरह.
See, my products initially they were working well with word of mouth. Friends of friends, family, extended family, ऐसे वाला word of mouth पे काफी गया. But then eventually, if you have to grow a business, only word of mouth will not count. The age is digital, right? You start working on your social media. For the budding entrepreneurs, I have an advice that do not go ahead with investing money into marketing from day one. Understand the market for your product, right? Tell your make a Instagram page, make a Facebook page, make a Twitter handle. Tell your friends and family to support you there. Ask for reviews, Google on Google pages and everywhere. So once you are seen by people, and once your market is good, once there is a regular flow of cash, and flow in of cash and flow out of the products, then you start working on your paid campaigns on Instagram and Facebook, right? So when you start working on those, you of course started generating new market. You're trading into new waters there. So एक बार आपको वहाँ, when you trade into new waters, वहाँ से आपको नए clients मिलेंगे. So it's a two-way process. The more you invest, the more you get. First, you invest your time, then you invest the money, and the return is proportional.
Like we need to analyze what we need to do first. Then we should invest the things.
Yes, yes. You analyze it, you work on that idea, you make a product, You ask your family, friends, social circle,
Mhm.
everyone, to give a feedback, review on your social media, on Google, and then invest. Or else get incubated in incubation centers, and then they'll fund you if your idea is solid.
So like this incubation centers you speak of, so like हम लोगों को just idea और flow chart लेके जाना है या like entrepreneurs को बिल्कुल मतलब थोड़ा सा research या थोड़ा सा काम तो उन्हें दिखाना पड़ेगा ना, otherwise वो लोग एकदम कैसे
हाँ,
fund कर देंगे?
of course, of course. See, for them to invest in you, for their time, their energy, and their money, if they invest in you, they should see the potential, right? They should see how well equipped you are with your fundamentals, how well you know your project, and how well you know if you have a fallout ever, right? If things are not working in your favor, how will you handle that? So plus, minus, pros, cons, you have to work on everything and then go. Because if you want to get yourself included, if you want to have a mentor, because they screen you, they interview you. There are two levels of screening.
Hmm.
They screen you at the center, then they screen you at the mentor's level. So once you're clear with those two levels, only then you'll be incubated.
So like ma'am, I do have one more question. Like this is your journey and it's so great. So if you want to like put it into one sentence and for motivation to young entrepreneurs, what will be that?
I'll say I'm very happy. I'm very
Oh,
happy being an entrepreneur. And there's
uh,
nothing more than happiness that counts when you work.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
happy with work, you will stay motivated and you'll want to work more. So I'm very happy. So whatever you do, whatever you choose in future, wherever you want to be, just be happy. When you're happy, you'll work more, you'll work on yourself, you'll work on your goals, you work on your projects. Just be happy.
okay, and that was so motivating. Okay,
Yeah.
amazing. So thank you, ma'am, for giving us your precious time and be here. And I hope this is going to help to all the young entrepreneurs.
It
ठीक
has
है
been
ना?
my pleasure. Thank you for having me over. And for anything, you can always contact me for any of the programs or mentorship if you need. I'm all available for you, for your friends, and wherever you put up this video. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So this was it, guys. If you want to hear more from us and know more unfiltered experiences about people, stay tuned with us. Subscribe, comment, and like the video. Thank you.